Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CERC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster day here from a price perspective. And then when you combine in the fact that the volume here was just gigantic, very, very bullish day. In fact, you know, the volume was so big today when you look back here through the history of the chart, it basically looks like there was never any other volume that occurred, but that's not the case. It's just, you know, today there was so much of it, it's kind of distorting things a little bit there. But anyways, point taken, big, good, solid day. Now let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk some areas of resistance. So first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that'd be right there at $1.15. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, it's not like the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above there, that would certainly be the biggest sign of strength on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, down here at 95 cents. So $1.15 and 95 cents, two of the near-term levels of support. Maybe you're saying, look, Clay, I just care about the big picture of things. I just care about the overall move. How can I measure and gauge the health of the overall move? How am I defining the move? Well, this right here. So if you just care about, like I said, big picture, how do you gauge the health of that? That is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is just going to keep on moving upwards like that. So from a very cut and dry perspective, or cut and dry way to look at this, very simplistic way to look at this, as long as the price is above that purple line as time continues to unfold, then the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. And in fact, you really, as far as resistance levels, in my opinion at least, I'm not even going to talk about any, and that being for the simple reason that as long as the price just keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of starting to build higher bases, then the long-term chart's going to take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So no, the price doesn't have to go up every single day, but as long as higher bases are being built, and if you picture, you know, kind of each one of these as stair steps, so as long as higher stair steps are being built, that is the name of the game. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.